cool guy, and I was going around saying hi to all the family. And he just, I don't even know. I went up to him and be like, "Oh, Nathan, come on, move around. I'll just sit all by and laugh." Do you talk like that? Yeah. You ever seen Meet the Robinsons? Yeah. You know the guy, the bull hat? Yeah. That's so funny. Oh my. Hang on. How many pieces are in it? There's only one piece left. Dude, there's 3 of us. I will take this. No! Mine! You good? Hey, it's just a piece of chicken. Why did you do that? Because I want the chicken, Andrew. Do you understand why I want the chicken? So I can bask in all its glory. You didn't have to do that. Yes, I did. It's just some chicken.
Kentucky Fried Cock. Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I told you it was delusional.
It doesn't matter. I'm taking the chicken. Thank you,
You know
Andrew.
what? This isn't your chicken.
Hey, give me the...
You better stop right now.
You think that's funny? Are you gonna give me my chicken? Chicken! Bazinga, Nathan!
Anthony, good. My chicken, do you understand me? I will have this chicken no matter what.
Andrew, Nathan hit me. What a douche.
I got it. Don't worry, man. Nathan! Where'd he go? Anthony's gone. I don't see him.
Where is he?
I don't know. He could be anywhere. Wait a second. He could be in the house. Come on. Shh. Be quiet. Dude, I'd so rob this house. I hear music in there. Nathan's in there. Nathan, where's the chicken at?
Hey, what's up, guys? Don't eat the chicken.
Why? Why can't I eat the chicken?
Because I said so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, so did Hitler. But look what he got. All those chickens. Anthony, you don't want to do this. I need the chicken. Do you understand? Do you understand what you're doing right now? You are taking away my pride, my sensibility, and my chicken. Andrew.
There's no chicken in here. Where's the chicken at?
You mean
there's no chicken? Look inside the box.
Did I drop it?